everyone, welcome with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. The Federal Reserve will deliver another 75 basic point interest rate hike next week and likely hold in policy rate steady for an extended period once in the eventually peaks, according to the Reuters poll of economists result on Tuesday. Policy markers have done little to push back on the market pricing for a third consecutive rate hike of three-quarters of the branches point of the U.S. Central Bank's September 20 until 21 meeting, with inflation measured by the Fed's preferred judge running at more than three times in 2% target. A strong majority of economists, 44 of the 70, predicts the central bank would hike in the Fed fund rate by 75 basic points the next week, after too much movie in the June on and July compared to only 20% who said so just a month ago. If realized, they would take the policy rate to the 300% target range the highest since the early 2008 before the worst of the global financial crisis. The remaining 39% still expect a 50 basic point in the hike. The shift in expectations for the ledger hike that has pushed and the dollar a two-day hike against a banks of currency, the US currency was forced to extend in the dominate for the remainder of this year and into early next. If there has been a shift in the Fed's tone in the recent months, it has been in the direction of the stronger commitment to reducing inflation even the risk of a downturn. Not Michael Gepin, chief U.S. economist at Bank of American Security, who has among those polled. Like many others in the poll, Gepin recently changed his foreign, so course show the Fed hiking risk by the 75 basic point next week instead of half a percent a point. But rising borrowing costs too quickly comes with its own risk. The poll put in the probability of the U.S. recession over the coming year as 45%, a change from the previous forecast with a chance of one occurring over the next 2 years rising to 55% from the 50%. The world number one economy, which has seen in the gross domestic produce contract in the past two quarters, was expected to grow below in the long term, a failure trend of 2% until the last 2025, according to the poll. Ecosystem said the interest rate outlook for the September meeting could change if the inflation dropped. The U.S. Labor Department in the due to realized consumer price index data on Tuesday, but economists spot the returns for increasing the CPI fall the rise 8.1% in the 12 months toward August. The CPI jumped 8.5% in the 12 months through July. Weather on the feet slowly in the monetary tightening either toward a 50 or 25 basic point hike is November 1 until 2 policy meeting, and one on knife edge the polls showed a majority of the ecosystem, however, expand the central bank to opt for a 25 basic point hike at the December 13 and the 14 meeting. There was still no consensus among ecosystem anywhere, and when the Fed will stop hiking rate and similarly, there was no consensus on when in the would start cutting them. Among the ecosystem who had a few third in the end of 2023, 47% forest in the lessons on rate cut, down from 57% in the poll last month. When the Fed fund rate reached a peak, the central bank is more likely to leave it a chance for the extended period rather than cut in quickly, according to more than 80% of respondents who answered the additional question. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has said he and his fellow policymakers will raise rates as high and needed and would keep them there for some time to bring inflation down to the 2% target. We just don't see the Fed cutting resets next year. It would be too soon. They won't have enough advanced inflation in the sustains downward courses toward the target, said the Gail Guentry senior economist BMO Capital Market, who always also among those polled. With inflation measured by CPI was enforced to a fringe and 9.0% and 3.7% this year in the 2023. Respectively, a teen labor market was expanded at brain price pressure according to the poll. The US jobless rate, which rose to 3.7% in August from 3.5 in July. Okay, I think that enough for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you!